So you sprinkle little water like this. So wait to hasten the germination. Just little water like this, and then you plant it. It is now very ready to be planted. Yes. Now it's time for planting. Planting time, planting time. Time for planting. So we plant the groundnut now. We level the bed very well. Plant it. Plant it in a special way. In a very special way. Rain has fallen. The soil is very moist, very wet. One with about 10 centimeters in between. This is a special way to plant groundnuts. It produces the best yield. So we bury it like 4 to 6 centimeters into the soil. So make it 1-1. It's a space of about 10 centimeters in between them. In between each line, leave a space of about 10 centimeters also. In between each seed planted, leave a space of about 10 centimeters. That's a special way of planting groundnuts to give the best yield. Said the seeds that have opened like this and become white like this will not germinate, so we don't plant that. We eliminate those ones. So we expect that in 5 days, these groundnuts will germinate there is no rain within those 5 days, carry out irrigation on top, apply small amount of water to hasten the germination. So, special way of planting peanuts.